Hey friends, welcome back again with OSP Pro on node.js. So in this video of node.js, guys, this introduction videos, I would like you guys again to discover something new in our programming in this 9th video. Now here simply I would like us to know how do we use data types, how to use data type in CMD with our node.js. So I would like to start from declaring a simple variable. If I declare my variable, like maybe if I say variable, let me just simply say maybe x, and x is having, okay, just me say, yeah, x, fine, and x is having what known as maybe 10. Now in this case here, you have declared this x equal to 10. Now this, I will simply tell you this in a simple term. These are numbers, okay? These are numbers which you guys, I think you'll be knowing them, or you'll be knowing what known as an integer. If I told you from a background of C or C++ or Java, that's an integer, you get? That's how we always declare a variable within. That's a number now, or I can call it as an integer. But you can also declare, how to declare a string and data type for a string. The same applies with the string. You can just give it a name of your string. Maybe if I say this, my string is called maybe I call it maybe first name. Now remember here I'm using one known as what am I using here really? Here I'm using one known as the camel casing within my program, and you can use double quotes or you can use single quote in your program, you get, whereby maybe my first name I can happen to write it as maybe OSP, you get. Now that's my first name, and I've given it in the form of a string. Now there's another data type, actually let me write this is actually a string that actually I'm trying to talk about there, you get. Now there's another type of data type that actually we have in node.js, which is rare in other programming language like in C. The data type I'm having here is what known as how can I frame it out here? The next data type that I have here is what known as the object, you get. We have another data type called object, you get, object, and that one, how do you declare it? You come in and give in this, then I'll say maybe it's equaling, or it's equal to what known as let me just say names, and then I say names is equal to this, how you write. Then I will say first name, the rightful column, and I can write here my first name is OSP. I close it. I just put a comma because I'm writing an object, you get. Then I'll also write one as last name. I'm using camel casing, friends. Do the same thing with our last name here, and my last name is Pro, you get. Just that's my last name. So how do we end our object which you are trying to declare here? We end an object by giving a termination to show that the object ends there, and all of them are inside one known as curly braces. That's it. So if I happen now to call for my x, which is up, it will give me 10, and if I call for a string which you happen to declare here up, which is first name, trust me, it will give me OSP. And if I happen to come in here for the objects, which object in this case is names, it will bring for me the entire object in my program. So guys, that's how I can simply talk little about what known as the type of data types that simply we have in node.js, you get. So we have a numbers, we have a string, and we also have objects. Now I would like us to play a little trick. How can I join my object with, actually how can I join us? Let me start from a simple one. How can I join my, actually how to join my numbers with a string? I remember showing you guys in those previous videos, but if this is your first video, then watch how to do it. So you get your first variable, your first numbers, which is numbers x, and then you add plus. Then what are you trying to add with? I'm adding with a string, you get. Now what's the name of the string? The string is the first first name. That's the name of our string. But if you write like this, it will be kind of confusing you. What you should do, if you press enter, yes, it will say actually 110 OSP. To avoid kind of confusion, you should write in your program the same applies actually how you are trying to do. Then write here your plus sign. Write in your plus just like that. Then remember giving that double quotes. Then also give a plus. Then now you can write what as your first name, so that the two programs can be joined, but there's a space in between. Now you can also join your object in the same program on the same way. Now give assumption, I'm going to first give a console here, and maybe I try to say console.log, and I say my name is. So after saying my name is, I'll just do that. Then I'll end. My name is, which then I'll say that. Now here you can now add either your object or a string. You get, whereby the string is first name. You get, and if I happen to end the program like this, it will have to print for me that my name is OSP. Now we can also clarify this statement by joining in with object. So let me try to add something little fun about the program to make the program fun. So if I say my name is, remember now I'm joining an object in our program. How am I going to do it? The same way, my friends. So just happen to come in there, add that, and then add object name, which is actually names from where we declared our object here. So if I happen to end that program and I terminate, it has to tell me that my name is, then here it is object. Why is it giving us an object? Object is because here up we define that the first name is actually an object, and that's an object which definitely will show me the data type of what you're trying to call is an object, which later, guys, I will show you how can we pick that specific information which is inside an object. Like here names, and my first name is OSP. Why can't I call for the OSP? And if I happen to call for names, gives me object. Guys, please tune on and don't forget to subscribe to OSP video. I love you guys. Make sure you watch the videos, subscribe and comment. Thank you guys for watching. Love you.